Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedredla. Let's do a reading for the month of November 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. For the sign of Aquarius, you got Devil card. This time Gemini didn't get Devil card, you got Devil card. So you might have this very what do you can say, a lot of work in your career. There is a lot of work, you're getting drained, but at the same time you're pushing also. Your legs are burning, but the devil's legs is burning because it has worked a lot, it has walked a lot, but at the same time it wants to move because it can withstand at the same time. But you're not like that, right? You're a human being, so you have to give rest, but I don't see you giving rest here. You're working continuously, there is a lot of work, and you're not thinking that's a big problem and you're just working hard. But even without your notice, there is something which is really building up, which is not good for you. 9 of Wands. I told you, you'll not realize that. You might think like you can do this working very hard, but over time you'll realize that you did something very wrong. You took the wrong decision, because it's a long way. It's not worth for anyone walking this path. It's like the stairs have this wands which is very sharp, and if anyone goes barefoot in this, they're gonna bleed. And you can see this devil also, it's fully red in the legs. That's fire. Even blood also represents fire there, because it's the color of blood, red. And something is very attracting. People might be deceiving you to go into this direction, but this is not good. You may not realize now, but maybe in the future realize that. 5 of Cups. You're very sad also in the month of November. No surprise you're getting this card, but because that is what happens when you listen to others and you don't listen to yourself. Others should be just an influence to you. They should not be people who can control you and manipulate things for you. So they should just be an influence, and the next part should be yours, and you should be your own priority when it comes to your life. You have to not give emotions to other people. So that is why this horse is sad, and also this horse is sad for selfish reasons. If you want to know the meaning of 5 of Cups, you can check out the book of tarot, Wild Unknown Tarot by Kim Krans. Because this is the card I'm using, the deck. If you check 5 of Cups in Rider-Waite, you're gonna get different meaning. But for this particular tarot card which Kim Krans has made, it has a different meaning. Okay, this 5 of Cups is different. It says it is immature also. So advice is, again, you have to focus on yourself first before you really listen to your others. You have to focus on yourself, know what you exactly want, what your intention is, and also take others' things and opinions just as an influence. Don't let your emotions get manipulated. I can see you're also pushing hard to just you're thinking that if you just go a little further, carry this a little further, it's gonna clear out. No, it's not gonna clear out. This cycle will keep on repeating. That is the World card. It's all about cycles. I didn't even start with the meaning of this card, World, but as I'm explaining, the term cycle came and you really know what is going on here. World is all about cycles and cycles and cycles, so it'll just keep on repeating. It's karma, right? Even devil is karma card here. Okay, it's a cycle, karmic cycles. So once you reach a particular age, universe sees that there is some depth that you have to clear. Karmic cycles should happen, and that's when a cycle starts. And it depends on how fast you analyze things, how fast you recover things. And if you prolong a little longer thinking that it's gonna vanish away like a magic, it doesn't happen. You have to do the work. Don't expect things will magically solve itself. No, it will never happen. In some cases it's gonna become big, because world card, the cycle might even become big. It's almost like Mahadasha. And you got devil card, which is Saturn, so you might be running into Saturn Mahadasha for few people. Or if you don't clear the karma right now during Saturn Mahadasha, it's gonna kick you right away. When it comes to devil card, I've seen many people say about Saturn Mahadasha. Even the best astrologer in the world, he analyzed a lot, and he wore a gemstone in his ring, in his finger, in his third ring finger. And there is a reason why they wear ring in this finger. I'll tell you later. Because this finger carries emotions. The ring finger is denoted by emotions when it comes to Kabbalah and Zohar. In the book of Zohar and Kabbalah, this finger is carries emotions. So that is why they wear wedding ring here, gemstones here. So one astrologer wore a gemstone during Saturn Mahadasha, hoping that he escapes the karma that Saturn gives, because he has a debilitated sun in Libra. But as expected, that really made it worse. So you can't escape karma. Okay, universe sees everything. It is in the mind. Everything is in the mind. Okay, karma is a memory basically. Even scientifically it is proven. Few scientists have proven that inside the brain there is a memory that holds each and every thing that you do since your birth. You got Daughter of Cups. I want to say more about that than cards and reading itself, because that is something very important. Usually brain, you might think brain is, of course, how can it remember many things? The way that brain remembers past events is, every time you recall, it won't keep track of everything. Okay, it's not a huge storage. Okay, what it will do is, it will divide fragments of information, and it will store that fragments of information in your brain. So what I'm saying right now, even though if it is 15 minutes video, how brain listens to that and stores is, the 15 minutes of the information that you say to you, it will divide like 2 minutes, not consequently, but somewhat the other way. It's called fragments. So in fragments it will store in the brain, and every time you recall, it will take that fragment of information and then backtrack it slowly and try to remember further. So that's how brain remembers. But deep inside there is subconscious mind, which the brain holds, and scientifically it is proven. There is millions of books written. Okay, and you can't escape reality. Okay, you can't escape God. That is what I have to tell you. God is very intelligent. Universe is very intelligent. Okay, if it is not that intelligent, it wouldn't be given freedom to manifest things on our own. Okay, it is that intelligent. Just remember that, because you got world card. You can't fool God. Okay, you can't fool the universe. So let me finish this soon. Daughter of Cups. If you're married, then definitely you might have a daughter. If your spouse is pregnant, then, because world card next to Daughter of Cups, this is also pregnancy card, world card, if you get in a relationship reading. So Cups is all about emotions. So if you're married, if you have a spouse, you might have a daughter. Hermit. The reason why I created this YouTube channel is also there is one main reason why I created this YouTube channel. Hopefully, one of the viewers will get to know at some or the other time, but I don't want to say it. It is something that is not meant to be said also. Even though I tell, it doesn't make sense or it may not be a big thing, okay? But there is a reason why I've created this YouTube channel and want to share a lot of knowledge about the universe, okay? Hermit, you will gain the knowledge. Very beautiful card. I'm very happy for you, Aquarius. You will gain the knowledge about the universe. You will understand the power of this devil card. You will understand the power of universe, how powerful the universe is, how powerful energies are. You will understand. There will be few events that will occur that will make you realize and go to this hermit mode. The realization, it's all about realization, but it's going to take time. Strength card, you might be connecting with Gemini also. They might help you up in few situations, but even they are going through tough time. They got 3 of swords next to this card, so if you share what happened in your life to them, definitely they'll feel sad. So that's something, it might relate to you, or they might share something about their story to you and you might feel sad. So, but I feel it is them because they got 3 of swords in the bottom of the deck. Sorry, after this card, bottom of the deck. Seven of Wands. I feel like you have to just you have to have the intention, okay? You have to have the intention and just go forward. Don't think about the past too much. It's gonna drain you out, because every time you lit a candle, it's gonna last for a particular period of time and eventually the wax is gonna dry out. So make use of time wisely. This is something I want to say. Time doesn't come again. So make use of the time wisely and have the right intention. You have to know the concept of time and timing. If you can master that, you have mastered the life. Father of Cups, you might be connecting with Gemini, Aquarius, for sure. You got Daughter of Cups and Father of Cups. You might be connecting with Gemini. You might have a daughter who is a Gemini, okay? Just saying, if you are a father, okay? What Gemini reading, you might get some insight and clarity. 5 of Wands, yeah. They were about to get 5 of Swords. I didn't tell them they were about to get that. But you got 5 of Wands. I feel like there are few conflicts when it comes to Gemini. Or people who have Gemini, Sun, Moon and Rising. There are few conflicts. And people are fighting here. 5 of Wands, literally. They really want to fight. So it might be verbally or physically, depends on, tarot cards is just a prediction. So there's definitely some fighting, mentally. Usually it involves not mentally, emotionally maybe, because Daughter of Cups, right? Emotionally some conflict is there with Gemini, Sun, Moon and Rising. Take care of that. Ace of Swords, the Thor hammer. Deep inside you feel like you're very strong, like the Thor. Good. Having the strength, I feel like it is very good at this period of time. But at the same time, make sure you clear all the karma which you have, because you started with the Devil card November. You have to take care of that. I feel like Gemini has cleared the karma. Now it is your turn. I think it's a cycle. Libra finished, I guess. It came to Gemini. Now it is you, Aquarius. It's gonna last for a couple of months depending on how you progress with that. Gemini, it lasted for long, this Gemini Devil card. For you, I think the cycle has started. Let's see in the month of December how it goes on. I feel like this is some new energy starting with the Devil, so I'm not able to predict more here. Connect with the universe more, and if you need guidance, connect with the universe more. If you do want a personal reading, you can check out my website. It's down below. You can see this poster. All the details are there. I do personal readings, I do astrological readings, I do daily predictions personally if you do want it, and also life coaching if you have a difficult time in life. And if you like it, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you guys for so much support, And yeah, until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, Curious.